So just to confirm, Raja gone for 15 from 13 and Bengal Tigers 56 for 2.
New batsman is Jishu. The crowds come alive. Success for Karnataka here. After a while, this is how the last wicket fell. There was Raja.
Yeah, with lots of pressure. Ball full and wild swing by Raja. Nowhere near it. Went over the ball and scattered the stumps. So Pradeep, well bowled indeed. Quite a bowling star for the Karnataka Bulldozers. Now we know they've got their batting stars and certainly one bowling star as well. Jishu is at the non-striking end. This is Joy, 30 from 21, so he's holding the fort. Tries a clever little dab, and even that might fetch you runs. But here's a look at the vice-captain, listed more as a batsman than a bowler. And there's a lot of work to be done, Jishu. The team is looking to you. Luckily, Joy is there on 30.
He's punched that to long off. Won't get more than a single. Jishu is the man who's just joined Joy. Joy's been batting well.
Just to remind you once again, this is how the wicket fell. Raja looking for runs. Just played all over it, but was a very nice delivery. Just tailing in a bit from Pradeep. And that's how he bowled most of that over. So Pradeep, 1 over, 1 run, 1 wicket. Magnificent contribution to the Karnataka Bulldozers so far.
I thought it was quite needless of him to try and hit across the line. Premeditated shots there. Raja. He looks a bit like a right-handed runner to me.
Oh well, more problems for Bengal Tigers. And I'm sure they realized that they had a very tall mountain to climb, but that job is now more difficult. 2 gone. It's just going to be a single, and that's not too bad because the objective here should be to get Joy on strike. He's at 5 4s and a 6 already. So obviously he's seeing the ball well enough, and having an off spinner come in from over the wicket, maybe he gives it a bit of air and the eyes would light up.
You think the Bengal team bats deep? Now this has been hit hard and high. Oh, he didn't go for the catch. I think he settled to field the ball rather than let it go for 4. Could have made an attempt there.
Well, you're a hard man, I guess. It was well short of him, and it was sliced off the face, the bat opening out just a bit. And Joy realized that haven't really got hold of that. Tries to sweep from what could have been leg stump. Big appeal at Bhaskar, their batting star, but the umpire quite happy to not agree with the bowler. That could have been pretty close. Not a very efficient sweep at all. Joy.
60 for 2 after 7. Priya Mani is the supporter for... Oh, she's the brand ambassador for the CCL, Charu tells me. So, larger role to play than just Karnataka.